Thank you to all of our servicemen, by the way.
Anytime.
This song's a great one, and it's a job that
I'm just trying to be a father, raise a daughter and a son, be a lover to their mother, everything to everyone. Up and bright and early, I'm all business in my suit. Yeah, I'm dressed up for success, from my head down to my boots.
I don't do it for the money, there's bills that I can't pay. I don't do it for the glory, I just do it anyway. Providing for our futures, my responsibility. Yeah, I'm real good under pressure, being all that I can be.
I can't call in sick on Mondays when the weekend's been too strong. I just work straight through the holidays, sometimes all night long. You can bet that I stand ready when the wolf prowls at the door. Yeah, I'm solid, yeah, I'm steady, yeah, I'm true down to the core. And I will always do my duty, no matter what the price. I've counted up the cost, I know the sacrifice. Oh, and I don't wanna die for you, but if dying's asking me, I'll bear that cross with honors.
This freedom don't come free.
I'm an American soldier, an American, beside my brothers and my sisters.
I will plan to take a stand
When liberty's in jeopardy, I will always do what's right. I'm out here on the front lines, sleep in peace tonight. American soldier, I'm an American soldier. Yeah, an American soldier, beside my brothers and my sisters, I will proudly take a stand. When liberty's in jeopardy, I will always do what's right.
I'm out here on the front lines, so sleep in peace tonight.
American soldier, I'm an American, an American, an American.